Hello everyone friends, this is the Weller channel. Today I'll show you how to use family sharing in Steam's family group. For this, we go into Steam and then into Settings. Here we have the Family tab where we click on Manage Family Group. These are all my accounts, by the way. Next we need to add a player here, for example. Right? We look for them among our friends. Okay? Or we can just search among Steam users and then they accept the invitation. There. Next, you can enable parental controls or recover their account if it's lost. You can also view their wish list. Here's the library. These are games you can share in your family group. See, you can add or remove games respectively. To do this, click More. Let's see everything, for example. Here are the requests. This is where your child or family member can send you purchase requests. There. And that's everything. This was Weller. Like and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye everyone.